So ladies and gents, as promised, we're on this sort of sandy, very sandy gravel area. There's a little bit of gravel over there. The 4S battery has only had the speed runs up and down, so that should still have loads of juice. I am going to leave the GPS on to see what sort of speed that we can get. That's the 76 that we had the last time, so I will go to track and start. I'm just going to leave that running, and then let's see what it can do. I will remember to put the controller onto 100%, which it is already. That's the front of the car, John. For those that don't know why I just said that to myself, go and check the speed run video. John was a plonker. We have steering. I would stand back a little bit, Colin, because it's going to get dusty. Let's go! Yeah! Oh yeah! Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is crazy! Stone! Stone! What is it with that stone? Those of you that have been in the RC hobby for a long time already know this fact. If there is a wide open area of nothing, but there's one big rock, your RC car will drag to it like a magnet. Let's go. For those of you that want to know the specs of this car, I have a video on my channel, John Robinson RC Essentials, so feel free to go over and see that. I will link it in the description below. So, that very fine sand. The fronts come off again, ladies and gents, but they do on all RC cars. Once again, as long as nothing's broken, I'm not really bothered by that. Bonkers! I love it! So ladies and gents, we found a little jump there that Colin could just pan to quickly. I wonder what will happen. Let's go! I'm not going to stand behind it, that would be silly. Oh yeah! We'll go back the, oh that seems breakable, doesn't it? Oh, alright. No worries. Ready? Oh yeah! It's gonna come at me. It's at this point, ladies and gentlemen, where the kid really comes out on you. Sorry, Colin, you're indicating?
Do you want to hit those?
What?
These here.
Those ones there, the Diddy one?
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa! I get it. Oh, ouchie. Can't see from this angle. There we go. Oh yeah! Ladies and gents, the time has come for me to pass the controls over to Colin to total the vehicle. If anybody can do it, it would be him. Go! You went for the double. There's not enough height, Colin.
I think it's possible.
Colin's going for the double. What do you reckon, ladies and gents? Not enough height, boy. Colin, can I ask your feelings on this car? I know you're not driven it a lot, but...
It's handles very well.
It does, doesn't it? Especially for 4S.
Yeah.
Oh, love it! Oh, so close! What was that?
I don't think the double's possible.
I don't think the double's possible at all now. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that? Colin did his best to destroy the car, but it is 100% working. Now, what speed did we get on the 4S battery on this surface? So if you can just quickly come in, Colin, I will hit stop. This is now Colin's phone, you may have noticed. 49. That's not bad. Not bad at all when you consider the surface. There's no real areas to open the throttle up fully. So I do want to show you the car because Colin did his best to destroy it. And the shell is in one piece. I mean, it's scratched a wee tad, but we have, that's popped off. So we have the anti-roll bar at the front has popped off. Is it snapped? No, the ball's there, the ball's there. So that just needs to be pushed back on again, which is good. Is anything else snapped or been bashed on it? No. Can you see anything, Colin?
No.
I mean, an anti-roll bar popping off after all of that abuse, I think is pretty impressive. I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, the more I'm around this car, the more I'm driving it, the more that Colin's driving it, I'm getting more and more impressed. As I've explained before, I didn't have version 1, version 1.1, version 1.2, I don't know what other versions there were, but I have the version 2, and it's good. It's really good. Yes, the shell pops off occasionally, but that's only when it's tumbled several times. It's not just randomly just fallen off for no reason. The problem with the shell, the chassis flexing, I've not seen that at all. Even on the slow-mos, when I've been on the computer looking in great detail, I've not seen it. Yes, things bend somewhat, but that's what they're designed to do. These arms here are designed to bend, to absorb some of that small impact that we did today. So can I recommend this car to you for a second time? I will say without a shadow of a doubt. 283 euros for all this car is very, very impressive. Sorry, 283 US dollars. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.